Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change the video download quality on Udemy application using your mobile device. If you've ever downloaded Udemy videos to watch offline but noticed that the quality isn't what you expected, then do not worry at all. First of all, open up your Udemy application on your smartphone and log into your account like you normally do. Once you're inside the home page or the featured page, click on the account button at the bottom right corner. Inside the account menu under video preferences, click on download options. Now click on video download quality at the top and then select the quality preference from the list. You will see a list of available video qualities such as 360p, 480p, 720p and 1080p. Choose the quality that matches your needs. If you are on limited storage, picking the medium option is usually a good balance. If you've got unlimited storage, then you can go ahead and choose 1080, which is the best quality option. After you pick this option, you can then go ahead and check your download. Whenever you download a course video, it will follow this quality preference. And that's how you have just changed your Udemy video download quality. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.